Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from TECKIN. This is their Wi-Fi enabled smart power strip with USB ports. You can pick it up on Amazon at the time of this review for about $29. They also have a current coupon running on Amazon's site to knock off another $3, so it's down to about the $26 range for this surge protector. And again, I'll have that link in the description below where you guys can check it out. We're going to dig into it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look around the box on this just to kind of show you exactly what you can and cannot do with it. Allows you to set timers. Since it is Wi-Fi enabled, you can use voice controls with things like Amazon devices, Amazon Alexa or Google Home. You've got all of that right there built into this device. So as you can see here, it's compatible with Google Assistant and with Amazon Alexa. And then you can get the app for this either on the App Store or Google Play. So you've got both of those options right there. Now on the back, it does have some of the stats here. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but it is rated up to 1250 watts at 10 amps, and you're going to be able to use this on a Wi-Fi of 2.4 gigahertz. It is not compatible with a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. You see your rated voltage there and everything else. Now, if you need to get in touch with them, you can get in touch with them at their website, which is also listed right there. Okay, so the first thing you're going to get is this user manual here. It is written in English and it is well laid out. It does show you how to use the app to connect to the device so that you can use your home speakers via either be Alexa or Google to control this, or you can just use the app from your smartphone or tablet and also control it that way. Okay, so taking a look at the power strip itself, you can see that it has a very thick cable to it, which I do appreciate. It is 3.5 feet long, which is okay. 6 feet would have been nicer. 3.5 feet is long enough. But you notice that we do have 4 USB ports here and 4 AC ports here. On the bottom, you've got some feet to hold it in place, and it's a TPU hard plastic. It's going to stay in place wherever you put it. And overall, it's got a really nice build quality to it, not a lot of creaking or anything like that. So overall, I give them a thumbs up for the build quality on this particular device. Okay, so once you have everything plugged in and you're good to go, you're going to see some LED lights. You're going to have one next to each of the AC outlets, and then you're going to have one next to the bank of USB ports. You can use the app or your voice via your smart speaker to shut off each individual AC outlet or the bank of USB ports. You're going to be able to hold this power button down for about 5 seconds, and there's a light above it that will blink fast, and then you can connect using the app that you scanned the QR code on the box for. And I'm going to use my Galaxy Note 10 here, and we're going to check out the app. And the app is pretty intuitive. This is called Smart Life. The app is called Smart Life. It's a very easy to use app here. You can then, once you have your power strip actually in here, you can see that I can turn on and off each individual switch as I go, depending on which ones I want active or which ones I don't want active. Or I can use Amazon Alexa and just say, Alexa, turn off switch 1 or turn on switch 1, or Google Home, the same thing, or any IFTTT device will work as well. Now the USB switch, you notice, is for all 4 USB ports, and that's just how this unit is set up. So if you want something that shuts off individual USB ports, this won't work. You have an all off and all on button as well to turn everything off, and then you can actually set the options here for the relay status. And you can do it after power outages, maintain the equipment state before the power cut, and certain things like that. So there's a little bit of flexibility there. Now, interestingly enough, you can set timers for each individual switch or the USB ports. So if I wanted them to run on different times, I can just hit this and schedule a timer and say run it from like 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. or whatever, and enable a notification for that. So then that switch individually will be set up that way. Now, again, if you go up here, you can have third-party integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, or IFTTT. So you do have that with offline notifications being able to be set on this as well. So as I've been saying for a really long time, I'm glad that more companies are putting in USB ports into power strips. I think all power strips should have USB ports because of all the devices that we have here that need USB ports for charging. It's a great addition, and also it's a great addition to be able to connect this to Wi-Fi and then actually be able to utilize this via your smart home speaker, either Amazon Alexa or Google Home or whatever you would like to do that way, so that you can just turn them on or off with your voice. It just makes things a heck of a lot easier. So overall, I'm pretty impressed. For the price point, you're going to pay, for a good power strip, you're going to pay somewhere in that $20 to $30 range. And with this one, it offers a lot of really good features so that you can set something up, including with timers, and the fact that it has USB ports built in, and you can actually use your smart speakers to use your voice to turn things on and off. I'm giving this a thumbs up. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. And if you guys have not subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.